PANW. That is our favorite security stock on the planet. Always has been. We always make big rallies like here. We had a great earnings. It pulled back from the high and it set up a buying opportunity with a major consolidation, then the breakout above resistance that brought in the call contracts on the 350 calls. They were $2.85. Our entry was $3.50. The high is $9. Current $7.10 by $7.35. 3,800 volume. Back to the breakout. That is the best of the breed, and it was on sale, and it consolidated, and we had a big sell-off from the high to the low where the buying started. That was the entry, okay? And buying at that point was buying $25 call contracts up and out of the money and get paid. Sign up for that bull. Let's get busy. How to take out resistance. PANW. Best of the breed with the least amount of what risk. Buy now, pay later. It's on the site. Check it out. Buy now, pay later.